Hello, students. Here is your reviewer for final speaking test. Let's start on routines. Question number 1. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Now you can answer saying I and then choose from the following. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. Question number 2. What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the afternoon? Now you can answer using the following pictures. So you can say, I play violin. I ride a bicycle. I do homework. I play video game. Or I study English. I study math. Or I study science. I study Thai. Question number 3. What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening? Now you can answer by choosing one of the following. Say, I eat dinner. I talk on the phone. I watch TV. I take a bath or I take a shower. And I go to bed. Now let's go to time and routines. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's time to, you can answer by saying, it's time to get up. It's time to get up. It's 7:30 in the morning. What time is it? It's time to go to school. It's time to go to school. It's 12 o'clock or it's 12 noon. What time is it? It's time to eat lunch. It's time to eat lunch. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. What time is it? It's time to drink milk. It's time to drink milk. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. What time is it? It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. What time is it? It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Doing things. Now here, we're going to have the verb and ing. What is he doing? What is he doing? Now you can answer using he or she. So here, he is singing. He is singing. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is dancing. She is dancing. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is swimming. He is swimming. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is drawing. She is drawing. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is reading. He is reading. Places. So here we're going to identify the person's location. So we're going to tell where is he or where is she. Where is he? Where is he? He is at home. He is at home. Where is he? Where is he? He is at the library. He is at the library. Where is she? Where is she? She is at the park. She is at the park. Where is he? Where is he? He is at school. He is at school. Where are they? Where are they? They are at the store. They are at the store. Now for the last question, teacher will ask, where are you? Where are you? Now you can choose any of the following. You can say, I am at home. I am at school. I am at the hospital. Or you can say, I am at the temple. I am at the market. I am at the park. Or I am at the zoo. Okay, that's all for your speaking test. Keep on practicing. Good luck. Okay, that's all for your speaking test. Keep on practicing. Good luck. Okay, that's all for your speaking test. Keep on